Hey, I'm Lily. Managing your finances can be stressful. Nearly 75% of people report that money is a significant worry in their lives. But learning how to manage and budget money can help you live well and stress less. To make financial decision making easier and more accurate, use spreadsheets. Spreadsheets help you collect, manipulate, analyze data, and organize it in a way that makes it easy to understand. In this unit, you'll research and collect data about expenses you are likely to have at some point in your life. You'll use spreadsheets to make financial decisions that work for you. You'll start by researching a long-term contractual purchase like a cell phone with a data plan. Then, you'll investigate housing options and write code to determine the distance between two locations. You will take a look at a fictitious checking account and categorize the expenses in a monthly budget. You'll calculate monthly payments and interest for different car loan amounts. Finally, you'll apply what you've learned to plan a vacation within a given budget. Now that you have an idea of what you will create in this unit, move on to the next video to start the first activity.